Introducing OneSync by Feit Electric, the only customizable and easy-to-install under-cabinet lights and accessories that can connect wirelessly, eliminating complicated wiring behind or between cabinets. Today, we're installing the OneSync Hardwire Converter Box. Let's get to it. Your OneSync Hardwire Converter Box comes with a clamp connector, screw anchors, drywall and wood mounting screws, instruction manual, and lastly, your OneSync Hardwire Converter Box. Here's the tools needed to install your Hardwire Converter Box. Start by removing the cover from the Hardwire Converter Box. With your flathead screwdriver, remove one of the knockout holes on the side of the box. Then, insert the clamp connector and tighten. Strip 4/10 of an inch off your house wires using the wire stripper. Insert the house wires through the clamp connector and into the converter box. Connect the white to the white, the black wire to the black, and the green to the green or copper wire. Be sure there is no exposed wire. Tighten the screws on the clamp connector to secure the house wires. Then, reattach the cover. Now, start by marking your desired placement. Then, mount the converter box using the appropriate screws and screw anchors if installing in drywall. Finally, link your OneSync devices. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your OneSync Hardwire Converter Box.